Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing these hose pinch-off pliers by GEARWRENCH. And I'll tell you something. These are probably the slickest ones I've ever used so far. I just bought these myself. I'll bring you over to the bench and I'm going to show you what I used in the past. And I'll show you how slick these are. Now they are quite small. And you know, they're for somebody who does small engine repair or vacuum hoses on automobiles. You know, they're great pliers and they're very unique the way they operate compared to other styles. So let's go over to the bench. Let's take a look. Okay, let's start off with the brand new set that I have right here. And the unique feature about this is they do open quite a bit. And they're flat, rounded, molded jaws, which are terrific. And if you take a look at the mechanism on a bigger unit, you can see this has got, you know, like a ratcheting retainer in there. And then you have to push this, this lever up to release it. Well, with these ones here, the unique part about it is you just press it down and they hold just like that. That easy. Now to release it, you just open them up, and you know, like, doesn't matter what size it is really. I mean, that squishes on nice, and I've held them on, left them on a machine for like 2 days, you know, on a gas line, and they never opened up on their self or anything. You just open it up and that's it. I mean, they're just about the slickest ones I've ever used, you know, and they're so easy to just clip on, release, and away you go. Now if you're wondering what these ones here are, these are my old style that I used years ago. And of course, well, they open up to fit in a line like this. And then you just wind it down and you have to keep on winding until, well, you can see what's going on here, right? Until it gets right down to the end here. And if you're wondering what these are a pair I just thought I'd show anyways, and these are for brake hoses on your automobile. So you just put it through here like this, put your line through here, bring it across like this, and that's it. And this is just the right diameter, just to pinch it off. Now I've never tried this style on, but I have used this before, and I have used these before for brake hoses. But for just small engines, I think this is slick or what. Okay, so you let me know in the comments if you ever ran across a pair like this before. And, you know, I just think they're terrific. You know, just exactly what I was looking for rather than them turn-in ones that I've been using for many, many, many years. So thanks for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a, you know, review on the small little hose pinch-off pliers. I just mainly use them for gas lines on small engines, and I think they're great. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again and let's have some more fun. Cheers.